Each of the letters here represents an amino acid in the BRCA1 protein. Each amino acid has its own letter, which serves as its symbol. When two alleles of a gene vary, the amino acid sequence which results can then vary. And as you can see here, if each residue, if each spot could be changed into one of 19 other amino acids, this is an enormous number of potential alternate alleles. In addition, some alleles add additional amino acids or remove some. A number of the alleles which contribute to breast cancer terminate the protein early and produce proteins shorter than average. And so there are hundreds of different alleles which are known. Some are common enough to be considered as normal variants rather than mutant alleles. Usually mutant alleles are those which are less than 1% of the alleles in a population. Mutant alleles can vary in their severity, from being silent to having an increased cancer risk of up to 85% during a woman's lifetime. And so there are multiple alleles of the BRCA1 gene, and which alleles a person inherits will affect their overall cancer risk.